Welcome to my channel. Today we are doing an unboxing video on a Quest 3S. So let's start it. So this is what the box is. You get inside the box MetaQuest 3S, standard facial interface, two MetaQuest touch controllers, two batteries, two wrist straps, two USB-C ports, and a charging cable. Alright. Wait, and this is another one of the seal. Great. And time for action. Wow. So in the box you have got two controllers. Battery type is here, and then of course you have the headset in here. This is how it looks. Got a button here, volume button, and this is your strap. Nice. And then you have the protective covering on the glasses here. Right. Then we have this charger. And the cable comes with one charger and the guard for your eyes, the spacer for the eyes. And yeah, so this is how it is. You got the instructions, some more instructions here, and what is at the bottom? Nothing, empty box. And then some more instructions. So it tells you how to do it. Start here, the whole kind of instructions how to do it, and then some other booklet. Well guys, thank you for watching and please subscribe.